Hey, how are you doing again? And I'm on the internet here and I'm checking out my web page and I'm doing this web Microsoft Azure. It's a cloud platform that enables you to quickly build and deploy and manage applications across a global network of Microsoft managed data centers. And I'm basically getting it for my web page and I'm going to check it out. It's a Visual Studio, HTML and all that good stuff, and web analysis. So we'll once we get that downloaded, we'll check that out. For right now, we have Google Analytics. I have my page all set up over here. See if I can get over here if it hasn't locked up. There it is. And Yola has an SEO, and it's a paid program, so I'm not going to do that. But here's my site. Once I get there, it's kind of slow today, so bear with me. Well, it's just not going to cooperate. Okay, so there it is. And we have our Google Analytics right here. And it gives you a little drop down, and it's fairly simple, very easy to use. So, and it loads, and then it gives you your Google Analytics and your UA number for over in Google. So, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But that's my UA number for my website, so they can track it. And they have Google Webmasters, and some of this is paid, and some of it is free. So for right now, it's free. That's what I got. So that's what I have. And this is my tutorials for Yola, because I was trying to figure out how to get my tags on my site. And if you go to site, that's where we're at. If I go to my page, over here we have metadata. We click on that and we can see we can get our page heading, our page title, our description, and that's what will show up in our search engines, and our tag or keywords. And that's what I have. So we're doing pretty good on that, and I'll show you that also. Over here is my Google Analytics, and that's what I have. And there's my website right there, if that will come up for me. No, it stays right there. Alright, so, but that's my website. And then it gives me my reporting, and it takes a second to load when I have all this stuff going on. As you can see, I have 0 hits, but you can get into the introduction, mobile conversion rates, and go through this whole it's a useful tool. They give you quite a bit for just for being free. So but it's all in the gist that you're a business person, you're online, and you're trying to sell things, and eventually you will purchase one of the Google Analytics packages. So for me, my Express 2012 for web is loading up, and that's pretty intuitive. And we have our new project, open project, and can connect to Team Foundation server. So, and it gives you the full ordeal on there on open source, learning resources, creating applications for the web, and what's new in web development, and find web hosting, cloud development, and all that good stuff. So that's what, I'll just minimize that for right now, but that's what we'll be getting into. Here is my website, and there's my banner and all that good stuff, and it's changed a little. I was getting low scores because I didn't have any words in it. They couldn't find in the analytic tools couldn't find any words to match up to what my keywords were. So I changed it around and I did a little bit of writing from experience. So, and there's my website. So here is our first tool. It's called, up here is analyzermetatags.org. And that's right here, free website analyzer. You click on that, and then down at the bottom of the page, you simply, it gives you that kind of a look, and that's where we're at. You get a free analyzer, why some websites are number one and why some will never be found. And this is exactly why. And this website helped me out the most. So we will go to our free website analyzer, and then why is that some websites are ranked. So we'll basically, it's asking you, after you read all that, to cut and paste the website that you have into it, and it analyzes it fairly quickly. So it gives you all our meta tags or lengths and our characters, so we're doing pretty good. I already checked it out. We're excellent on a lot of things. On our title, we're at 71 characters. We can do a little bit more, but that's okay. Description, we're at 200 characters, and the relevancy to our content is excellent at 100%. So key